Hi everyone, my name is Richard. I'm excited to talk to you today about habits. I'm going to tell you what a habit is, why it's important to form good habits, and I'm going to give you a strategy called micro-stepping that's going to help you form those habits. A habit can be defined as a neural pathway that we use so often to perform an action that action becomes automated. And that means that we can do this action without thinking about it. The reason that it's so important to form good habits is that most of our actions that we do during the day are habits, are done without thinking about it. And it's actually very tiring and very stressful to have to concentrate hard on every single step of an action that's not a habit. And so by forming effective habits, whether they're for our home life, our work life, our social life, they're ways for us to become the people that we want to be in a way that's more efficient and that's less stressful for us. And the strategy that I'm going to give you to do that today is called micro-stepping. Micro-stepping means we're going to break the habit that we want to achieve, that we want to incorporate into our lives, into very tiny steps. And we're going to gradually add each step until we have achieved the habit. And so the habit that I chose, one that's become important to me, is keeping the front of my car clean, or at least having everything in my car that I'm going to need. And so I said, okay, I want to have a habit of keeping the space of the car with somewhere to charge my phone, with the adapter for my phone, with my sunglasses, with a notepad, with a pen. And so I began doing that by establishing a place where I was going to put the sunglasses I would use for driving, and I would always put them there when I would finish using them. And that provided a foundation for adding, okay, this is a step where I'm always going to put my water bottle, I'm always going to have a water bottle, a coffee cup, these other aspects, these other things that I want in the car, and creating the habit of organizing my driver's seat and the space in my car. Thank you very much.